Welcome back, dear students. This is my fourth video on the first chapter of your civics. So we have talked about the functions of the Nyay Panchayat, the Gram Panchayat, the sources of income of Gram Panchayat. Now let us talk about the importance of Gram Panchayat. So the Gram Panchayat plays a very important role in the lives of the village people or the rural people. The Gram Panchayat helps the villages to solve their day-to-day problems. It ensures participation of the people in developing their community. In doing so, it promotes cooperation among the people. So any problem, any dispute they have, day-to-day problems, they can just go to the Gram Panchayat and get it solved. Any major thing happening in the gram, in the village, the people can participate in it and help in the development of their own community for their own good, and this way they can cooperate, promote cooperation among themselves, and it also acts as a training ground for the future leaders, because in the lower level they start learning the techniques of being a good leader, and subsequently they can go to higher levels. Now this was at the gram level. Now what do we have? The second tier was the block samitis at the block level. So what are block samitis? In spite of trying the best, the gram panchayats cannot cater to the needs of the villages. Everywhere there are certain loopholes. So there are certain problems which the gram panchayat cannot solve. So what happens? Then comes the block samiti. They are the one who can solve their problems. Gram panchayat cannot do it for so many reasons. Maybe the people are not cooperating, lack of funds. So then the block samitis come into forefront. For instance, it is difficult for a gram panchayat to build a high school in the area due to the lack of funds. In such case, it becomes essential for the gram panchayat to work in cooperation with the other gram panchayats and form a group of gram panchayats called block samiti. So suppose one example is given that they want to build a high school. It requires a lot of funds, and at the gram level, at the rural village level, it is not possible. So what happens? Many gram panchayats, they form a group and they start working together. All the funds are brought together and they start working together, and that is called a block samiti. A block samiti is also known as the panchayat samiti because many panchayats come in. Usually a block samiti caters to the needs of the 100 villages, around 100 villages. Mark it out, okay? What is its composition like? Means what is it made up of? Does it function? Who are the people involved? So the block samiti generally consists of following members: the sarpanch, whom we also call the pradhan or the mukhiya of all the gram panchayats. So every village, the sarpanch of each village is the member there. Okay. The chairperson of the town area committee or notified area committee of that particular block. Okay. The members of the parliament as well as the Vidhan Sabha, state legislative assembly representing the block. Some people of the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and cooperative societies are also part of that particular samiti. Then 1/3 of the total seats are also reserved for the women. So these consist of the block samiti, members of the block samiti. It is noteworthy that all the members of the block samiti elect a chairperson and a vice chairperson. One sarpanch samiti supervises the other gram panchayats. It acts as a coordinating body between district panchayat and gram panchayat. So it is a link between the district and the gram in between, and they look after all, supervise all the other panchayats, and they function accordingly. So what is the function of the block samiti? So the BDO, The full form of it is block development officer is the one who carries out this function of the block samiti. And what are the function of the BDO, the block samiti? The block samiti oversees the working of the gram panchayats under it. Suppose there are 100 villages, so it will look into the working whether these villages, these gram panchayats are carrying out the functions properly or not, they are utilizing the money properly or not, whatever work has been assigned to them, they are doing it in a proper way or not. So everything this block samiti looks into. It arranges projects and funds from the government to carry out the various block development programs. It also supports current development projects. Any project that the government passes, it is through these samitis that it is given to the gram sabhas or the gram panchayats, and then the development work takes place. It makes the community development program for its area in different fields like irrigation, seed, fertilizer distribution to the farmers, health and education facilities, supply of clean drinking water, sanitation to the people, and providing financial assistance to the gram panchayat. So this is the work of, be it any field, irrigation, seed distribution, fertilizer distribution for the betterment of the farmers, education facilities, health, sanitation, drinking water, everything, any kind of financial support or assistance, everything is done by the block samiti. I stop here. In the next video I will deal with the Jila Parishads. Thank you.